Hello kids, this is Parimala and I am your coding teacher. Welcome back to my channel Stream with KSP. I hope you all are doing great. Stay home, stay safe. We are continuing the series of P4 editor in the previous classes and you are enjoying the coding and also you are creating your own games. Let's continue that. If anyone has new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell button to get notification for next videos. Don't forget to like, share and comment to get booster for next videos. And we are also continuing so many classes in the series of P4 editor. Please, anyone have missed the previous classes, all the links are shared in the description. Kindly check it. Let's get started with today's class. Today's class is class 13 and logical operators in P4 editor. In the previous class, we have learned conditional statements in the P4 editor. We have learned about if condition, if else condition as well as else if condition. In this class, we will learn logical operators and there are three important logical operators and which are very important when we are designing the games in the P4 editor. The first one is the AND, the second one is the OR operator and the third one is the NOT operator. And I also have written the symbols for these particular operators in programming. We cannot write A and A in the program. We have to write the ampersand symbol and we have to write two ampersand symbol. And for we have to write the two lines and for not we have to write a exclamatory mark. And let's get started of coding this class without wasting the time. Let me open the P4 editor in the Google. So if we type the P4 editor in Google, it is going to open this login page. And if you have already have the credentials, you can type the credentials here. If not, you have to create a login. Then you can give the credentials. And if you have your Gmail account also, you can click on login with Google. As I'm having my credentials, I am giving the credentials and clicking on the login button, which is going to open the starting page. Here first I will show you about the AND operator, then OR operator, and then we will discuss about the NOT operator. And first in the line number 1, I will write today's class name. Today's class is class 13 in logical operators. In JavaScript programming language along with the P4 editor. And for the AND operator, we are going to display a rectangle on the canvas. And by using the AND operator, we will fill the color inside the rectangle. So let us do that. If we want to do that, first we need to display a rectangle on the screen. So inside the draw function, I'm going to display rectangle in small letters and I want in the position called 300 comma 200, that is x and y position, and now I will give the width and height of the rectangle, and as usual I want to give the black color background. 0 indicates that black color background. And now if I click on the play button, you will be able to see a rectangle on the canvas with a black color background in the position called 300 comma 200. Now our task is to write the code with AND operator. So here my condition is whenever the mouse X position is greater than 300, I want to fill it with the some color, and whenever the mouse X less than 400 also, I want to fill it with the same color. So if I want to execute two conditions at a time, I am going to use the AND operator and OR operator. If you want to make both the conditions true, you have to use the AND operator, and if you want to make only one condition is true, you can use the OR operator. So let us do that one by one. Now I am writing my if condition. So mouse X is greater than 300. Mouse X is greater than 300. I want to fill this particular rectangle with some color, that is 255 comma 0 comma, and let us assume some color. If I click on the play button, it will be white color only, but when I take my mouse on the canvas, if it is greater than 300, then it is going to be turned into the pink color. After writing this particular condition, After writing this particular condition, we also need to write one more instruction, that is no fill, because we don't want to fill our rectangle with a color in any other cases. So I'm going to write the no fill, which indicates that the color should not be filled in any other cases. Now if I click on the play button, you are going to observe the output properly. Yes, now it is turning into a pink color, and if I go out, the color is not there. So this is the AND operator. You need to understand the concept here. The condition 1 and condition 2. If these two conditions are true, then only the color will be filled in the screen. And now regarding to the OR operator, we are going to see some other example. And for that we are going to use the previous class example, that is bouncing ball code. But before that, let us save me this code by using the save option in the file. And then I can change here. This program is AND operator, AND operator, and now it is saved. And now I have opened ball bouncing game from my sketches, and now we are going to change this code by using R operator. So before that, let me duplicate it. I already told, if you want to create a second file of this, we can click on the duplicate so that we can make a second copy. And here I am writing, this is about the OR operator program. And now you can able to see what I am going to do. And here my task is using the logical OR operator to execute any one of the condition. Inside the if condition, we are going to give two conditions, but if any one of the condition is true, it has to work. And here the ball bouncing is working only one side, and now we want to make it work for the left side also. So for that, what we need to do is we need to use the logical OR operator. Here we have already written the condition x greater than width, but now I want to add one more condition, that is x less than 0. So x less than 0 indicates that if it is coming the left side outside of the screen. X greater than width means it is right side outside of the screen, and x less than 0 means if it is left side outside of the screen. Then I want to make my ball to bounce off with the wall. So in this case, what I want to do is I am going to change this with a logical OR operator, and I am writing the two conditions here. One is x greater than width and x less than 0. Left side outside of the screen and right side outside of the screen. If any one condition is true, okay, if any one condition is true, what to be happened with the speed is, we cannot write directly the -3 because sometimes it is -3, sometimes it is +3. So we can write speed multiplied with -1. Okay, so if it is -3, -3 will be multiplied with -1, it will be +3. And if it is +3 will be multiplied with -1, it is going to be -3. Now here I am going to write star -1. Now you can observe the difference here for our output. And I have not changed any other code, but I am going to make my ball to bounce the left side screen as well as right side screen. So we have used our OR operator to make this. Okay, so OR operator will be verifying either this condition or this condition must be true. That's why the ball is bouncing in the two sides. This is about the OR operator. This is about the OR operator. Now we will discuss about the NOT operator, and regarding to the NOT operator, I will be showing just one statement here. NOT operator is the same meaning as we are pronouncing it. NOT means it is going to return a other value. If it is true, it is going to return a false value. If it is a false, it is going to return a true value. True and false are called as the Boolean variables in the programming languages. Suppose if I am declaring a variable, I will declare in the setup function. Suppose if I am declaring a variable z, if I am declaring a variable z here to true, And if I am printing in the console.log, and if I'm trying to print the value z, you can observe what is going to be print in the console. If I click on the play button, you can see the value true is printed. Suppose if I'm using the not operator here, the not operator is the exclamatory mark. If I'm using the not operator, you can observe the output here. It has printed with the false. So the not operator indicates that it is going to give the another value. If it is true, it is going to give the false value. If it is false, it is going to give the true value. Not operator. So when we are validating or when we are equalizing any other two things, we are going to use this not operator also in our games. So this is for today's class: and operator, or operator, and not operator. The logical operators are very important in the concept of programming, and try to practice all these codes and try to share this videos to your friends and relatives, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Your likes are going to make this video to reach so many people. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next class with new topic. Thank you. Bye bye.